Hey everybody, welcome back to the Austin Lindsay channel. This photo shoot was actually 3 looks, but I forgot to record the second one, the middle outfit, so I'm giving you 2 today. So this first one is, there you can see 2 lights in the video, but I'm only using 1. I had a snoot there just to light up just the face, but I didn't like how that looked so much, so I turned it off. And this one's being lit up by a 400 Pro that has an octabox on it. It's a 42-inch octabox, and both the baffles are taken out, and there's no grid, so it's basically just kind of like a really large umbrella. Gives kind of that hard light, but with being a large modifier, still a little bit softer. And then off the camera left side, I have a large foldable V-flat that's just kind of bouncing some light back onto her. This other look is kind of a twofer because we did a background with gels, like a purple gel, and then I did another one with just a regular white background. This one, I found this bodysuit at a thrift store. It's kind of like this showgirly type, just kind of interesting looking piece, so I picked it up. So this purple look has 3 lights. I'll start with the background light. There's an umbrella being lit by a 200 Pro. And that has the Fresnel head on it because that's easier to put gels on. It looks just like a speed light head. So if I want to do gels, I'll use those lights, either the 200 Pro with the Fresnel head or just a standard speed light. So it has purple gel on it. Then the next light from that is another 400 Pro, and that's got a strip box on it with both diffusers on it, the inner and the outer, and that's just giving a little bit of an edge light. And then the main light is another 400 Pro that's lighting up a 36-inch or 38-inch parabolic octabox. This one has both diffusers in it, and then it's got a grid on it, and it has a grid because I don't want that large light source spilling onto the background. And then there's a V-flat bouncing some of the light back onto her with a white side. For this look where she's sitting down on the block, it's basically the same as the gelled light source. The only thing it's missing is the gelled light source. So there's the same 400 Pro with the strip box as the side light. You can see it on her elbow a little bit. And then the main light is the 400 Pro lighting up the 38-inch deep parabolic octabox. Same thing, it still has both the diffusers and the grid on it. Hopefully you guys found this useful or entertaining. Consider sharing this video with another photographer friend or somebody who you think might enjoy some lighting setups. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field and I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks everyone for watching.